Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a social media strategy with Buffer, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your social media goals. Identify what you want to achieve, such as brand awareness, engagement, or lead generation. Choose specific metrics to measure success, like likes, shares, or website traffic. Next, research your target audience. Understand their demographics, preferences. Use this information to tailor your content to their interests. Now, select the right social media platforms. Consider where your audience spends their time and which platforms align with your goals. Create a content calendar to plan your posts. Outline what content you'll share and when, ensuring consistency across platforms. Use Buffer's scheduling tool to automate your posts. This saves time and helps maintain a regular posting schedule. Monitor your social media performance using Buffer's analytics. Evaluate engagement rates, reach, and other key metrics. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Experiment with different formats, such as images, videos, and polls. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Build a community around your brand to foster loyalty. Analyze their strategies to identify your unique advantages. Finally, be flexible and ready to adapt your strategy as needed. Social media trends can change quickly, so stay informed and agile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.